Welcome back to Jorge the Mentor's YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about how to profit from Airbnbs that you don't own. This is amazing, right? Because if you don't have to put a down payment for a mortgage and you don't have to own the property, all you have to do is control the property. How many Airbnbs could you have? That's a very good question. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, the most important thing here, everything that I do, I like to do it with honesty and integrity. Why? Because it's sustainable and it's long term. And the reason I'm saying that is a lot of people who go into subleasing, whether it's long term or short term rental, sometimes a few of them don't tell the landlord. And then when they do find out, then of course the landlord gets upset. And maybe they wouldn't have got upset if they would have just communicated that in the beginning. But because now they feel lied to, then of course no one likes to feel lied to, and now that's an issue. So here's my recommendation. Be honest, be upfront. That's going to create a sustainable business. The way you're able to sublease and profit from other people's real estate is in the lease agreement. So let's pretend like you're going to rent a home from someone long term for say 12 months, right? Well, in the sublease, it usually states whether or not you can now sublease to other people. And if it doesn't state it, so whether it states it or doesn't state it, you can negotiate with the landlord and let them know and just enroll them as to why this is such a great and viable option and why it's going to be safer and cleaner and how you're going to be responsible for XYZ, and just really create a win-win situation so that they want to make money and let you make money as well. So more importantly, have it integrated into the contract that you are going to rent it out to other people. So all you're going to be responsible now in most cases is the first month's rent as well as a deposit. And if the property is not furnished, then you're going to have to furnish it. Now the great thing is I've already done a lot of the work for you. So if you want to find out which couches, tables, and appliances I use, just go to the descriptions below and all the information is there. This is a really great option because again, normally if you were going to buy an investment property, in most cases it requires a 20% down payment. So if you were going to buy a property for say $400,000, you got to put $80,000 for a down payment on top of making sure that it's in a habitable and clean and cosmetically appealing condition. So you might have to put new floor, crown molding, paint, new doors, new windows. That might be another $5,000 to $15,000 depending on where you live. And now you got to furnish it. Now you're looking at about $100,000. Whereas if you're going to rent, say, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house from someone, and again, this depends on your area, but let's just say the payment is $2,500. So you put $2,500 for the first month, $2,500 for the deposit, and then you furnish. So let's just say all in $10,000. But if you're able to profit, about $2,000 a month, then all you really need is 5 months to make your entire money back. And after that, you are making money from other people's units. This is definitely a great option to do if you don't have the money for a down payment, and especially right now in 2018 that prices for homes are super high, of course, then this might make it a more viable option. Thank you guys for watching Jorge the Mentor's YouTube channel. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I'll personally respond to all of your questions. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell so you can be notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.